Hey boy, yeah, we got a nice little cruise right here. What we doing, like 70? They got one broke down right here. Oh no. Oh, he fishing? Like a little track mover. Man, it's pretty out here. It's pretty. Man, I'm new to this YouTube stuff. Need to figure out how to put some music in the background. Big truck driver right here. Yeah. Waiting for this nasty thing to get up here. Just gotta slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. Look, they getting it. Yeah, they getting it. Get the rear view. Oh, it's coming. Trying to catch it. Come on, man. See it. Oh, look at me. Oh, Lord. Here it come. Ah. Look at that thing. Nasty, boy. That thing nasty. Rose gold 24s. Oh. Oh, man. Oh man, I'm about to rock it. Look at this thing. Yeah, it's something nice. It's something nice right there. Look at this thing, alright? Woo! Nasty. See how fast we go.